Ready to spice up your weeknight meals? You're going to want to try this flavor pack sandwich. Let's get cooking. Starting out, we're making this spread for the sandwiches, and this is going to include some mayonnaise, some freshly squeezed lime juice, and also the Jamaican jerk rub. Now, if you don't have limes, you can also use those little plastic limes and use the juice from out of those as well. Once you have those two ingredients, you're gonna mix them all together, your mayonnaise into your lime juice, and then you're gonna add that Jamaican jerk rub seasoning. Once you add in your Jamaican jerk rub, you just want to make sure you mix all of that up really well. After you get your spread all mixed, put a lid on it. Next up, let's put together the pico. It is so much flavor and color in this. It's just so fun. First off, we're going to be adding in the chopped up plum tomatoes, and then to that we're going to be adding in some chopped up pineapple. You can use either fresh pineapple or canned. To that we're going to add in some chopped diced jalapeno pepper, and then to that we're going to be adding in some fresh chopped cilantro, and then some white onion to that, and then of course some more lime juice. Just mix that all up, get everything nice and incorporated. And very lastly, gonna add in some salt to taste. Today for this recipe, I am using my deluxe grill and griddle. So I am just adding on some oil to the grill plates to make sure the chicken does not stick. You can use a skillet or saute pan, whatever you like to cook your chicken. And then just add your chicken to whatever you're cooking it in. I'm using the deluxe grill and griddle. So the chicken has been marinating for 10 to 30 minutes or however long you like. The marinade sauce has some soy sauce, some green onions, apple cider vinegar, Jamaican jerk rub, brown sugar, the chicken of course, and a little bit of oil. Alright, so you want to cook your chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's done. You could also check the chicken with the thermometer to just make sure that it's cooked well. If you are cooking it on a single surface, you just want to make sure that you flip it about halfway through the cooking time. Alright, now that the chicken is all done, it's time to make our sandwiches. You can use whatever sandwich bread that you like. Just go ahead and take the spread that we made earlier and spread some of that on both sides of your sandwich bread, and then you can layer on whatever lettuce that you choose onto one of the bread pieces, and then next you want to add your chicken, and then on top of your chicken you want to add some of that pico. Alright, so this recipe takes about 35 minutes to bring it all together, which is wonderful for those really busy weeknights when you just want something fast. And this is packed with so much flavor. That Jamaican jerk rub has so many different flavors and seasonings in it. Some of the items that it has in it is thyme, allspice, some red and black pepper, onion, red and green bell pepper, green onion, and then also some nutmeg, cinnamon, and also raw sugar. You can serve this with some salad and also some pico on the side like I did, or whatever size that you like. Let me know if you try this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.